Here's another cool quickie tip for you. Need a place to slide to when you're asked to throw in a lead guitar solo? Then let's check out this cool 5-note box that you literally can hang out the entire solo. The real bonus is that we have more notes hidden in this box that you can pull out and throw into the mix at any time. Grab your guitar and let me introduce you to the box that keeps on giving. We're going to do this in the key of A. We are in the EJ bar chord on the 5th fret. It's an easy reference point. When your time comes to play a lead, there's an easy way you can find the box. So your middle finger is already positioned on the 6th fret on a G string. That's how you finger that A chord, right here. And you just slide to fret 9. Okay? And that's the 5th note of the scale that we're in. And you don't even have to look. You almost feel it eventually, right? The other notes in that box are, we go to the B8, the B10, the E8, and the E10. This cool box is actually the bottom part of the 2nd position minor pentatonic scale. And we're just using these notes here. And of course, you can also put in bends. You can put bends down here as well. I encourage you just to fool around in this box a little bit, maybe over a backing track, and see what kind of licks you can extract from it. Whoops, what did I just do? There's one more note here. And that is the blue note, the blues note. It's right next to your middle finger. So your 5-note box has now become a 6-note box. You can throw that note in as a bonus. Now I'm going to show you some licks that you can play over a minor progression. Kind of BB style. Now this is also a great box to solo over a major progression. Let me just show you some of the licks you can extract from this box. Now we're not done yet. I have one more surprise. So when you play in a major progression, you can actually highlight the major third and the minor third. Over the 1st chord, A, you can play this major third right here on the E9. Okay? When it goes to the 4th chord, you can highlight the minor third. Okay? Imagine this progression. There is the major third. So we're accentuating that major third over the 1st chord. When we go to the 4th chord, we go to the minor third, which is just 1 fret up. Here's the major third, and here's the minor third. So when we go to the 4th chord, back to the 1 chord. And when we go to the turnaround, there's one more note we can hit, and it's right here. Okay? And that is the 3rd note of the E major scale. Okay? So here, I'm going to play that. So imagine we're in the 1st chord. Now we go to the 4th chord, minor 3rd, and back to the 1 chord, major 3rd. Now we go to the turnaround E, and then we can finish it any way we want. And then start again. So that is really cool. So you can either play just the normal 6 notes here, the blue note, and your bends. Okay, or throw in the minor or the major 3rd during the chord changes. It's definitely a cool place to hang out. And when asked to throw in a lead solo, you're already in position here. Okay, take your middle finger and just slide it down 4 frets, in this case to the 9G. And you can hold that note and think a little bit about what you want to do next. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I hope it's going to help you become a better lead guitar player. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.